Today I'm going to show you how to add users to your WordPress website. I'm Lori Ballen, creator of ranklikeaboss.com search engine optimization course, as well as Ballen Brands, where we build real estate websites and small business websites and do your pay-per-click and content. And I also have a real estate business here in Las Vegas called ballenvegas.com. And I'm going to show you how to add users to your WordPress website. So here, you're going to give the user a username. So in my case, I usually give my users their email. And then here we're going to put in the email. And once you set up the user, they will be notified by email that they have access and that they have a login and password. Next, you're going to enter a first name. So let's just do an example. Those won't be all capitals, but that's okay. Okay, and then there will be an automatic password populated. You can click Show Password and put something else in there if you like. The user also has the option to change their password. Now here's where you can click to send them a notification or not. Now here's where it gets very, very important, and this is tricky. You got to really pay attention to this. Right here, you can drop down and see what the role is for the user. Okay. Now in my case, I've got some custom roles here, and you can do that as well. The standard ones you're going to see are subscriber, and subscriber really can't do anything. They can just subscribe. This is tricky because it does get spammed a lot. So we actually use another system for setting up subscribers. We use Infusionsoft integration. And then a contributor can access a page or a post on your website. They can add content to it, but they can't publish it. So you would have to go behind them and publish it. So this might be good if you're using ghostwriters or things like that, and you don't actually want them to take it as far as publishing, but you want them to get all the content on the page. An author has the ability to create a post or a page, and they can actually publish the content as well. But neither one of these, the contributor or the author, they cannot access other posts or pages to edit, only the one they're creating. Okay, so they're not going to be able to go in and access all your content and go in and do a bunch of edits or anything like that. So minimum, if you want somebody to be writing content on your website, creating content, is a contributor. If you want them publishing it, it's going to be author. Next one up is editor. The editor can access all the content, but they can't change the main things on your website. They're not going to be able to change user information or mess with your plugins or mess with your administrative section. All they're going to be able to do is access your pages and posts. But this does give them the ability to edit any page or post on your website. So be careful about that one. Really make sure you've got somebody that you trust and that is somebody you want to have those kind of privileges. And the administrator can do everything. They can do everything you can do. They can change everything on your website. They can delete you as a user. They can add things to the website. They could add a hacked plugin. So administrator is really going to be your web developer, probably whoever's really managing the nuts and bolts of the website. Okay, so that's top level, all the same privileges you do. They are the same as you. Editor can access any page or post on your website and change anything on a page or a post. An author can create a page or a post, and they can publish it. A contributor can create a page or a post with content, but they can't publish it. They have to wait for somebody else to approve it. And a subscriber is just somebody following your blog, and that's all there is to it. So that is how you add a user to your WordPress website.